Welcome to the tutorial for Copperhead Road. We're going to go step by step on how to complete this line dance. This line dance is a 4-wall line dance, so you'll be facing every single wall throughout this line dance. So, alright, here we go.
Okay, those first steps are going to be heels starting with your right foot. So you're going to do 4 of them. All of the beats in this dance are to a 4 count. So you're going to do right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel. Again, that's right heel, left heel, right heel, left heel.
The next step of this is the hitch. So how you do the hitch, you'll start with your right leg, you kick out, you cross in front of your left leg, you kick back out, and then place it back down on the ground. And then you do it with your left leg. You kick straight out, you cross over your right, straight out, and you step back down. The count for that would be 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
And then we're going to do 4 heels again. Same foot, starting with the right, of doing heel, 2, 3, 4. So 4 heels, hitch on the right leg, hitch on the left leg, and then 4 heels again.
Let's start from the beginning and show them that.
Perfect. We're going to do heel, 2, 3, 4, hitch on the right, hitch on the left, and heel 1, 2, 3, 4.
Alright, this next step, the last one in the sequence, you will take your right leg and cross it over your left leg. It'll be like this. And as you do that, we're going to be turning 90 degrees to our right. So I like to call it a step ball change. So you'll be going step, ball, change, and then step, ball, change. And what's happening with the feet, again, so the right leg is crossing over the left, so you're going right, bring your left leg up behind you right, so right, left, right, and then transfer back to your left for that right, left, right.
And just to clarify, we're going to be using our right leg, but we're actually going to be turning 90 degrees to the left. So leading with the right, but turning to the left.
So we'll show you that again. So that'll be turning 90 degrees to our left-hand side. It'll be 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, let's add that all together. So we're going to do a heel, 2, 3, 4, hitch on the right, hitch on the left, a 1, 2, 3, 4, step and turn, 3, 4, and step and turn, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to start over, and we're going to do all 4 walls.
All right, take it slow, enjoy it, be kind and patient to yourself, and get on the dance floor.